So we decided before we left Norway we should swim in a fjord, because there's just fjords everywhere, and our thing's called fjord. So here's a fjord. We're gonna swim in it. Here we go. Is it cold?
Ah! Instant regret.
Instant regret. That's for the Reddit r/instant regret. Check them out.
Film it, ready? And 1 step.
2 steps, come on.
I can't touch.
Not that bad right now.
Allow me to try and show you underwater the drop. Shall you come along with me, please?
Please come with me.
I typically hit the earlobe.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the same thing Nate just did. We'll see what happens. Here goes. Yeah, that's the you can feel the pressure. And now we can say we swam in a Norwegian fjord. Couldn't have said that yesterday.
So the other day we mentioned that there was a place in Norway called Fjord. I've decided we're going to visit again, and we're going to take an aerial view of the town named after me. So please enjoy this aerial montage of my city. Named after me, yep.
Wow.
Yep, don't question the spelling. After Ford, it was time to head back to Bergen to drop off our auto. This is the end for our friend Horace. Farewell, Horace. You've been absolutely brilliant. It was actually pretty good. We spent under $200 in gas. We drove over 1,500 kilometers. So.
That's impressive.
I thought we only drove like 12.
Good work, Horace. Hey, don't take this away from Horace.
Okay, I was just asking.
Then, a quick tram ride was all that separated the group from their Airbnb for the night.
Where'd my phone go?
Here, one like on our picture. Hi, good evening.
Hi, welcome to Fjord.
We're shooting this really late. We're going to
Yeah.
be very quiet and very brief.
It's 11:29. F is for features. This place has
Features.
a couple features.
Some of which don't work.
Yeah, the shower doesn't work, which is...
I stink. So,
Yeah,
that's gonna
he
be a problem.
does. I'm right next to him. The kitchen works fine.
Even a stove and an oven combination.
Yeah, there's a fridge and stuff.
Features for me is going to be a 4 out of 5. Actually, wait. It's going to be a 3 out of 5 just because the shower is not currently functioning. If the shower was working, it'd be 4 out of 5, but since it's not, 3 out of 5.
I was going to give it 3.5, so I'll give it 3.5 fjords out of 5.
Okay, next up we have joy. How much joy this place brings us. We were greeted by some very nice Argentinians when we walked in.
Hashtag
Nacho.
Nacho.
Hashtag like for like.
hashtag-
Hashtag Dronestagram. Hashtag DJI. Hashtag Mavic Air. Hashtag.
Shout out to our Argentinian friend Nacho Sanchez. Check him out on YouTube at
Chacho
Chacho Sanchez.
Sanchez.
We'll link him in the description.
Joy for me, you know what? I'm pretty joyful here. The bed's a little creaky. I'm kind of worried Ashley's going to follow me. She apparently thinks she can fit through this crack and suffocate me, so I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5 joy rating.
Really?
Yeah, I know it's generous, but
I
it's
was
too
gonna
late.
give it
I just said it.
A 3 out of 5 for me, Joy.
Okay, next up we have Optimal. That's how much we paid for this place. Honestly, we paid $116.42 Canadian. So that's a pretty good price. I don't know why you're laughing, because that's the exact price.
I know, it's just weird.
It's
'Cause
actually 114.
oh.
It's a pretty good price when you get that 4 fjords out of Fossil 5.
Yeah, I agree. I might give it 4.5 even.
Sick. Next up, we have Radius. What's around us? We arrived by train. We have no clue what's around us. Therefore,
We
I'm going to
arrived
give
by
it
train?
a radius rating of 3.5 out of 5.
3.5, yeah. I'll give it 3. I don't think we're that. Well, maybe we are. I don't know. 3 out of 5. That's all.
Finally, D, drone ability. We're in the middle of a city.
Yeah, it's not very
I
dronable.
could. Therefore, if I could, since I can, and I could if I wanted to, but maybe not legally, but I still could. They're very relaxed here in Norway. I'm going to give it 3.5.
Yeah, we're very relaxed here now.
3.5 out of 5, because I've already flown in Bergen, and it wasn't bad, except the Coast Guard tried to jam my drone. But yeah, drone ability, I've flown here before. I don't really need to fly here, but I think I could if I wanted to. Therefore, 3.5 fjord out of possible 5.
I haven't flown here, but I will trust your judgment because you have, so I'll also give it a 3.5 out of 4.
Okay.
Out of 5.
Alright, that's it.
4.
Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow really might not be that thrilling. We're about to take an 8-hour train ride to
Woo!
Oslo, from
Edit.
here in Bergen to Oslo. It's supposed to be the most beautiful train journey in Europe. That's what the website says.
That's
So yeah,
so ridiculous.
we'll see you tomorrow for some train B-roll and some
It's just gonna be
card plane.
full of trains.
Just full of train B-roll. If you like trains, tomorrow might be the episode for you. Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you there.
Bye bye.
Choo choo.